Okay, so 2 days ago I received this comment: saving as .model format is not there for me, any idea? So the model file extension was created by the SAR systems, and as we can see over here on fileinfo.com, that file format contains a representation of mechanical structure or parts of a structure. Also stuffs associated with CAM machining use model files. But from version 4, we see that version 4 of Catia and below saves 3D model as model files, and version 5 saves as part files. So maybe you are not able to save them as that model. Maybe if you're not using the correct version. So we see over here the comment was on Catia V5. So let's take a look at in Catia. One problem would be that if you are in a product, so if you go file new product, so not a part, over here you won't be able to save as that model. As you can see, only we have access to cut product, step and other file formats, but we don't see the model file format. So to have access to that, you will need to either insert, not a new product, a new part within this, a new part, and you will go into that part to edit that by double clicking on this part 1, and over here you can have it model, and after that you should be able to save it as a .model file format. Okay, but if you're using Catia V5, you should be able to save that with no problem. Okay, so I hope that this video will help you. If you find this useful, also for others, if you have any questions regarding some of my videos, feel free to comment, and I will make time to create a video regarding that. Okay, so thanks for watching.